Have you been to California? Seen the sights and people there? Walked the streets of sleepy sea towns, tasted salty ocean air.
And once again, he puts it in four-wheel. Come on up, baby. Come on.
Good boy.
Okay. Don't make it look so easy next time.
Come away with me, come, let's go away to be on a new adventure for two. We can fly across the ocean or take a train together. I don't care as long as it's beside you. Take a road trip in a car, we'll get lost and go too far. While on the beaches we will watch the sunrise. And if we've done there's all to do, I'll just sit and stare into your loving face, graced with those beautiful eyes. I have fallen madly in love. You're the only one I think the world of, and I will stay true. Some would laugh cause they thought we wouldn't last, but take a look now, none of them are around. And you're just the kind of girl that can wrap me in your world. I'm walking on the air, my feet off the ground. Yeah, no one can catch my eye, and so please don't even try, because you cannot be the one that I found. And now we're going on vacation, a special destination, music, dancing, laughing, fun all around. I have fallen madly in love. You're the only one I think the world of, and I will stay true. Cause you got it, you got it, you got my heart. And I know together we'll be forever, never will part. You got it, you got it, you got my heart. The first time I saw you, right then you had me, right from the start. From the first time I saw you, I knew you'd be mine. From the first glance you gave, my world had slowed, you stopped the time. And in that moment I could see all of the things that we would be. You were the girl I was waiting for, that I would ask to marry me. Like the beauty of the sun, you light my life so I can see. You make me laugh and show me how, just how good this life can be. And in our moments filled with joy is where I live, where I am free. Lay in my arms, I'll hold you tight, just like you like, continually. And I am overwhelmed by you, and overcome with joy. You've taken me higher and shown me what love can do. Where would I go or be something in your smile that gives me strength to carry on. And there's something in your words that lingers even when you're gone. Oh, I've dreamt that a time like this would come, fulfill my life. Who could have known the one who'd bring it here would be my lovely wife?
Lake Cayuga at sunset. What a beautiful evening. We're just kind of meandering down the trails next to, well, actually it's the road that's right next to the lake, and I mean right next to it. We had about maybe a half mile of campground facilities, and it's nestled right next to a full lake, Lake Cayuga, of maybe, I don't know, what would you say, Grace, 15-20 miles long is what these Finger Lakes are? Not that small, but yeah, it's yeah, I'd say maybe a mile to 2 miles wide is what they are, and it would just be blessed with a nice setting moon. And there's my wingman, or am I your wingman?
You're my wingman, baby.
Oh, okay. And she's off. These do have fire pits, so I guess they must be for the overnight campers with the tents. Hello.
Hi.
No, it doesn't have our own private bike pass. The undesirables, is that what a less desirable is? Yes, this is our path. This is where you saw the couple with the pup. Camera's running. Bouncing around like the Dickens. Clearance 6 feet 0 inches, and I'm not sure how high I am, but well, I'm glad I got a light on. Grace is somewhere behind me there.
I could sing 1,000 songs about you, still that would not do. And there's a million tiny things that make the things that
I'm not sure if we'd be better on the pavement or the dirt here.
I wouldn't trade.
So, I believe we got some tree roots here working against us.
Cause nothing else here in the world can bring the happiness you bring. And I am overwhelmed by you. Am overcome with joy. You've taken me higher and shown me what love can do. Where would I go or be without you? Yeah, I'm overwhelmed by you. Am overcome with joy. You've taken me higher and shown me what love can do. Where would I go or be without you?
Have you been to California? Seen the sights and people there? Walked the streets of sleepy Seattle?